crews are still working the fire at the Georgia Pacific plant. That fire started around 2 p.m. Wednesday. News Channel 6's Ashley Flette is live in Thompson. And Ashley, this fire could have a lasting impact.
We were here earlier today, and there's still smoke coming out of the building. You can kind of see that it's cleared up a little bit. You can see some of the spots that the building was caught on fire. We know that the crews had to take water from a nearby pond to actually put the fire out. But the real concern here tonight is the impact that this has on the environment, and not only the environment, but the health of the people who live and work in this area.
There's no water in any of the creeks, so I think maybe they're using some of the water for fire control, which I think is a great idea.
A spokesperson for Georgia Pacific says the fire started in one of the particle mills. He says employees tried to extinguish it, but it grew too quickly. Georgia Pacific is a particle board factory. Savannah Riverkeeper Tanya Bonatadaba says with the building sitting on a ridge, the fire can have double effect on its surroundings.
But as long as that stuff is contained as much as possible, we'll be in a good place.
Bonatadaba says her concern is that some of the wood that's burning will get into the water of a nearby creek that is used for drinking water. But the water quality isn't the only worry. Dr. Philip Kuhl with MCG says fires like this one can impact air quality.
Does that linger in the area or does it move on?
But he says things could be worse.
The humidity has been low and the wind is blowing in a way that's removing those out of the area. So we haven't really had a big uptick in the number of people suffering respiratory illness from these events.
Regardless of the smoke in the air, some are still having to work through it.
It's a little congested, right? It's a difference. You can definitely tell it.
Dr. Kuhl says smoke inhalation can cause your body to stress without you even knowing it.
The combination of high humidity plus high temperatures contributes to poor air quality and can worsen conditions, not to mention the fact that it's more difficult for the body to cool itself.
Georgia Pacific says the building is a total loss, and Dr. Kuhl says you have to keep in mind in situations like this because the heat and the smoke like this can cause a really bad stress on your body. Live in McDuffie, I'm Ashley Flette, WJBF News Channel 6.